All right, we're back in action. This will be a bit of an experiment, actually. I've got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 plugged into my power bank now. Can it deliver more juice to the camera than it's actually using? We'll find out when it happens, eh? If we run out of power, we know that wasn't happening, but it's looking positive so far. Whew, that was a good little rest I had there. Show my age, never mind. It's another 10 or 12k is it to go? Will I make it? And that's just to get to the destination before I turn around and do a 7k walk back. Come on, let's go. Thanks for joining me today. My name's Chris, by the way. I'm walking about. We're taking in the sights and sounds of Bali. This trip I'm staying in the Kuta Legian area. I won't get up to Seminyak so much. In a couple of weeks' time I will try to do a little bit there, but can't do everything at once, can I? Hey? And there's just so much to see here too, and if you're like me and enjoy walking around and just taking it all in, then yeah, let's travel together. I was waving at that guy, but wow, he was in the zone, wasn't he, eh? Oh yeah, he's listening to something on his phone there. And just adjusting my wrist strap here. The reason I got a wrist strap on the camera here is because I do some dumb things sometimes, just out of the blue. I've always been like that. It's like suddenly leaning too far into a volcano, falling into a caldera, passing out also at the top of a caldera because of the sulfur gases. Let's see, up in Bukit Lawang, far a little bit northwest of Medan in North Sumatra. I got trapped underwater in a vortex and couldn't get out of it. Almost died of that one too. A number of times I've just slipped over, fallen over, because I wasn't paying attention. Footpath through here is quite okay. But you do have to keep your wits about you. There's a bit more unevenness, the odd hole here and there that you wouldn't normally find back in your own country, because in your own country they'll probably have a person there, or they'll have a dozen witches' hats and signage. Morning!
Come to have a look.
Come and have a look, or maybe later.
What's your name?
Chris, my name's Chris, and what is your name?
Lisa.
Lisa.
Where are you from, Chris?
I'm from Sydney.
Sydney. When you come to Bali?
Oh, I came to Bali maybe a week ago.
Weeks ago.
Yeah.
For how long?
For about a week this time, and then I go away, then I come back for another week.
Oh, that's good. Maybe you need something. I got towel. Maybe just look here.
Oh, yeah, I'll have a quick look.
Okay.
It's nice to meet you anyway,
Yes,
Lisa. And
nice to meet you
so
too.
this is your kiosk, eh?
That's my kiosk.
Uh-huh. And how long have you had this kiosk for?
Here I've been about 5 years here.
5 years. So before COVID.
Before COVID.
Before
yeah,
COVID.
here, 5
Oh
years.
my God. So
then-
what happened? What happened during COVID? You had to close down.
Close on, not work.
Oh.
Just before COVID, I've sell there. I've been
Oh.
20 years and a bit.
Oh,
20 or 30,
right,
like
right.
30 years.
And so what did everyone do? Did they just have to go back to their home, their village somewhere and
Yeah.
just
Yeah,
Yeah.
I just stay. Sometimes I go to Bali and then come back.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
like sell maybe like
You know, I still see shops that have the shutters down that
Yeah.
never reopen. They closed during the pandemic and they never reopen. You know what? My theory is that some of the business people, they decided, no, we won't open up again because we need to renovate and clean.
Yes.
Instead, we'll move up to Seminyak, Canggu, where there are more younger tourists with more money.
because I can't move anyway. Yeah,
Oh
I just
no!
stay here.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Because,
Yeah.
Like before COVID, I can when COVID I do nothing, stay home boring. Yes, and
Oh.
and then I close here, and then after that, finish COVID, I come here to try opening.
I was very, very fortunate in
Yes,
COVID.
yes.
I was able to continue working because I was an essential service, like a driver for
Yeah.
essential services.
Yeah.
Just like here, the police continue, the ambulance continue,
yeah,
hospitals
ambulance.
continue. Yeah, I was like an
But you're
essential
good.
worker
But
myself,
you're
so
good, yeah.
I was
You're
very,
good.
very lucky. But it
That's
was
good.
so crazy during that
Yeah,
time because
crazy.
I'll be driving to work.
Yeah.
I'm the only person driving to work, and all the shops around me, everything
Yes,
is closed, and
It's
and it
closed,
was a
stay
little bit
home.
sad too because I was earning money
But my-
and nobody else.
Yeah, my friend all back to Mantan. They have like rent house, rent line,
Yeah.
credits, payment, and then gone. The bank take all, and then they can't stay here
No,
anymore.
no, of course not. Yeah, you originally from Bali?
Yes, I born here.
Oh, born.
My house there.
Originally Bali.
Yes,
Oh,
Bali,
wow,
real.
yeah.
Original
Oh, yeah,
Bali.
because so many people, they come to Bali from, say, Java, elsewhere,
Java,
because, well, they're looking for money, basically.
Yes.
Yeah, looking for work, looking for money, and
Yes. I just here. I born here. My Harial fly here when I'm little because my daddy fishing man, and then that's where.
of course, yeah, I see Lisa shop
Yes,
there.
Lisa shop.
Yeah, of course it's your shop, yeah.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
So maybe you need something one for now.
Not right now, not right now. But you know what I'm going to do? I've got some video here.
Oh,
I'm going to
video.
put it online and
Yeah.
say that I met you, Lisa. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Yes.
You're a lovely lady to talk to.
You.
And I often run through here of a morning, so I'll wave to you one morning and say hello. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much,
You need
Lisa.
to come to see me, yeah?
Shall do. Shall do.
Okay.
Thank you. See you later. Oh, thank you. Oh, such a lovely lady. I didn't want to draw too much attention to the camera. She knew, obviously, that I was recording, but God, I hope she was framed and everything, but certainly would have picked up the audio anyway. But yeah, what a lovely lady, hey? Pantai Jerman. I can hear copyright music. Oh, God. Honestly, I wish YouTube weren't so strict because, like, obviously, I'm not trying to rip off or profit from you know, the performers and all that. It's just incidental stuff that someone's playing in the background, and I've remarked before there's a good reason why, especially at night time, there's not a lot of walkabout videos. It's just imagine in a really busy area with lots of bars with music everywhere, and because as you're walking along you can't sort of pick it up automatically as well sometimes, you know, because it's just background noise. But it's the bots online who are scraping through YouTube videos hunting for copyrighted music, so that they can put in the copyright claim, get the commission and all that. Yeah. Oh, I like to have a bit of a rant sometimes, get it off my chest. So I'm going to walk through. Earlier it was... Oh, maybe later, maybe later. Why not later? I'll look later, I'll look later. No, later.
How long stay here?
Oh, about a week. Yeah, about a week, yeah.
Sailing together. What is sailing together?
Sailing together, yeah. No, it's a t-shirt is gifted to me, yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
You're
Bali
not like
t-shirt.
from
Oh,
Australia. Okay, coming please, just one.
crikey.
For my good luck.
Oh,
And then
crikey.
you don't want massage, please? How
Yeah.
long stay here, sir?
Oh, only about a week, yeah. Oh, what sort of Bali t-shirts do you have there?
Bali, then Bali. Oh, this one.
All right, yeah. No, there's no need to get it out.
just
Yeah,
one
I've
then.
just...
Okay. XL. Two
All right,
size.
yeah. Oh,
Okay?
yeah.
And soft you don't want? And soft too. Soft like
Oh, I see, shorts. All
Yes.
right, yeah.
You like bintang or Nike?
Well, I think all the Western men like bintang,
Oh,
yeah?
bintang.
Yeah, we like to drink, yeah, of course, yeah, we're always drinking.
What color you want?
Excuse me.
Black or red?
Massage, put
Don't
massage.
think.
Oh, no.
You want red or black?
Oh, gee, I don't know. It's, look, I tell you what, I need to think about that. I'll come back later.
Okay,
I
just
come
one
through here often.
Just do this.
No, honestly,
Just do this.
I come through often.
This or you see?
Oh, you're-
Yeah. Just read this. Good luck.
No.
For my good luck, please.
Oh, for like first
Yes.
customer.
Yes,
yeah?
first customer.
First customer today.
Okay, come.
Special discount for
Yes,
first customer.
Yes, really, discount. Okay.
No.
For my good luck, please, because
No.
I go home later, you see.
I really have to go.
Come on,
I
you
have a
put in
long
the
way to
bag.
go.
I told you, sailing together. Please.
Yeah,
Good price, please.
I have to go. Sorry.
Only two this, please.
No,
Only two
but very
t-shirts
nice to
then.
meet you. Very nice.
Two t-shirts only.
No, next time.
Come on, please.
Next time.
I bring you
I know.
already.
Sad, but
I'll bring
next
you
time.
already, please. Just two then for my good
Next
luck.
time, boo. Next time.
Oh,
Okay. Next time, boo. Thank you. Oh, well, that's her patter. Nice ladies, though, eh? At this rate, I'll never get to Seminyak. I'll probably cut the video around, I don't know, somewhere in Kuta. There's people up there having their breakfast. Breakfast by the beach. Oh, we got the swing there, right? There's no one around. Come on. What do you reckon, eh? I can only fall off, and what am I going to injure apart from my pride, my bum? And then any excuse to sit down too, eh? Whoop. This is relaxing. You know, I was just thinking just now actually, the obvious way to sit would be to face the other way, looking at the beach. But it's all about social media these days, isn't it, eh? And if I was facing the other way and the camera was pointing at me, then you'd just be looking at the sands or whatever it is, hotel or restaurant up there, eh? You wouldn't see any of the beach. So people sit this way now so that you can see the beach. Ooh. Alrighty, I'd better get to it. I've got a long way to go today. At this rate, I'm never going to get to Seminyak. Oh, gee, my knees. Alright, there's a few too many 10k and half marathons in my knees, I'm sorry to say. I've seen better days. Yeah, all right. No more steps. Oh, what are they doing here? Yeah. All right. High pressure cleaning. Got another little resort up there.